A Chattanooga attorney facing several charges, including sexual exploitation of children, knows when his trial will start. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Kim Chapman-Whitfield.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Court documents reveal Patrick Hawley used to practice law at this office on Georgia Avenue. Hawley was in federal court this morning for an arraignment. We told you yesterday about Hawley's indictment by a grand jury.
Federal agents arrested Hawley last week after court documents revealed details on a months-long investigation. Some of the details in that report are too explicit to share.
The News Channel 9's Maggie Weaver was in court today. She joins us now live from the federal courthouse with what she saw and heard. Maggie.
Josh, Kim, Hawley's family sat directly in front of me in a federal courtroom this morning, wiping tears and holding hands as a judge read Chattanooga attorney Patrick Hawley's charges out loud at his arraignment. Now, we do want to warn you that some of the details of this report are very disturbing. This federal affidavit accuses Patrick Hawley of using the name Ultimate Dad Bod to solicit child pornography on the internet. The report says back in April, an agent posed as the mother of a young child online and that Hawley reached out. It says he coached the person on the chat how to, quote, best groom the child for sexual abuse purposes. Some of the additional accusations are too disturbing to report. Several websites identify Patrick Hawley as a Chattanooga attorney who worked at his father's law office. Hawley shared 5 digital images of himself, according to the report. One of them included a certificate on the wall showing his full name, Patrick Bryant Hawley. The affidavit says another image had location data attached that revealed the GPS coordinates for this law office on Georgia Avenue. The report says the FBI then opened an investigation into Hawley's online activities. The federal complaint specifically says Hawley committed some of his crimes using a computer in that office. But we did learn his former workplace has since been sold to another law office. Hawley's father is not accused of any wrongdoing, and his son's name has now been removed from the law office sign. Hawley's attorney declined to speak with us after the hearing. Now, we did reach out to the Board of Professional Responsibility of the Supreme Court of Tennessee to ask about Hawley's status as a practicing attorney. The state says that he does still have an active law license, that is. Now, the judge did also set his trial for early next year. Reporting live in Chattanooga, Maggie Weaver, News Channel 9.
Maggie, thank you. Hawley entered no plea for the charges and waived his bond hearing.